What's going on, guys? Cole here, back for another video, and today we're going to be opening up another pack of Scarlet and Violet Obsidian Flames. I know it's been a while since my last upload. It's been a really long while. I've been focusing on school and stuff like that, but hopefully I can get back to doing this. I believe... Okay. Oddish, Finizen, Herdier, Glimmet, Armarouge, Amoonguss, Seismitoad, Solrock, oh, holy crap, Support Trainer Poppy, Full Art Trainer Poppy, and Full Art Trainer Gita. Holy crap. Electric energy behind it, but 2 in 1 pack. That is insane. I've never gotten this. This is my best opening ever. Well, it's gonna do it for the newest video. I'm just in shock. It's gonna do it for the newest video. Well, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.